Look at that, oh, snake. Ami karon diri sa Crocodile Park. Look at that, oh. Kadako sa skin. Mo ni ang namatay na crocodile yata ni siya. Mo ni ang paan ko, grabe laki. Crocodile Park. Ang tagal kong hindi nakabatik dito. Nandito ulit ako. Malapit agad to sa amin. Oy, sometimes sa sobrang busy, hindi na talaga makapunta. Oh, I like this one. Hindi kita to. Ngayon ko lang nakita ito. Ito yung flowers dito na tree. Ano to na tree? Oh, ang ganda. Oh, na-amaze ako sa kanya. Oh. Ano to na tree? Oh.
Ma'am, tanawa ma'am.
Have you seen the crocodile?
No, di aman. Kita kag iguana dako kayo.
Ay, dako kay siya. Oy.
Anong dragonfly?
Napay turtle, oh. Dako kayo.
Tortoise lagi.
Oh my God. What happened if they're going to jump on your face? Ay, iguana. Ang laki, oh. Oh, diba? Ala, baka biglang tumalon sa pisngi ay sa mukha. Hello. Ayun, oh. Ay. What happened? Where's now? Oh, bye. Oh, there's a crocodile. It's big. Hi.
One of our dogs that been taken. That's why my brother took me up.
Yeah, you know what? Mostly of their, I think their food is the dog. No owner, to a stray dog. Yeah. If your dog is kind of catch up, dog pound, they're gonna feed here if there's nobody claim it. I think so.
No, if like nobody will claim your dog, then your dog will gonna be buffet for this.
Yeah, this is the sentence. Sorry for that. That's big.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it is.
Hi! Maingay siya, oh. Gani.
Ay, ba nag-gilbuang doon ng buhay?
Bilabay niya. I think he's hiding now.
Do not feed the animal. O di kay init diri ma'am no. Kuan mabugno gihapon no.
Kaya ka mong trees. Where?
Oh no. It's hiding.
Oh, he's hiding. Look at that there. We are here. Having fun here. What is in here? Oh, there's plenty of turtles. Look at that. Hi! Hi! Wala, nag-play sila, oh. Ito. Oh, diba, happy kayo sila. Nag-play sila doon. Turquoise. Nag-play sila. Then, may baby pa doon.
Red ears.
Yan. See?
Yeah, there's a lot of fish too, anak.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, basta kay fish.
Where? We go. Yeah.
Good, turtles, right?
And this one.
Yeah.
There's plenty.
Turtle. It's a snappy turtle.
Oh, there's a snappy.
Slider turtle.
Red, clear, slider, turtle.
Mm-hmm. So red-eared slider turtle. So, isa to sa mga ano niya is stay in the wild for 20 years and 40 years in the captivity. Next. Dugong. Dugon. Oh, what is this? This is a fish tied in fishing net. So, dugong. Yeah. This is the dugong. Hi. Oh, it's very colorful, the neck. Ang neck niya is masyadong colorful. Oh, what is his name?
Northern Cassowary.
Northern Cassowary. Oh, look at that.
One wild cassowary.
So, omnivorous. They're omnivorous, meaning they're eating. So they're living in a tropical forest. Hi. Sige na.
Look at the monkey. Monkey? It's a monkey.
Parrot, look at that.
Look at two. Look at five. Daddy. Look.
Oh, that's big. Hi.
The same.
Pareho dumugnaw.
Labutan bigay ni sila. Hi.
Hey, Daddy, you took picture na together. Shades? Sabi nag-shades lang. Alam nga naman ang isa nag-shades man.
Nya, wala sa kulungan.
Ang isa wala sa kulungan. Why you're not in the cage, babe?
Hi. Hi. Hello. Yeah. What's your name? What's your name? Woo, woo, woo. Hi.
Ano pangalan mo?
Monkey.
Woo, woo, woo.
Monkey.
Woo, woo. Hi. Bye. Nakabalo siyang name.
Down. Those are one of me and the monkey.
Oh, Seth, are you enjoying to see those animals?
Look at me and the
Hindi ko
monkey.
ganahan og ka ng snake mo.
Yung ganahan? Oh, let's see the snake here. Next, snake. A different carpet python. Morelia spilota. So, let's see. Oh, wow, they're very beautiful. Look at that.
Another one.
But this is very beautiful.
Another one.
Ganahan ka snake, ma'am?
Ganahan ako silang color.
Ew.
Ganahan ko mo pero ayoko magunita.
No more.
Oh, nice. Look at nice color of the snake. Wow. Oh, wow, nice. Attractive kay ko sa ilang color. Pero I'm sorry, I don't wanna touching you. I like your color. It's a ball python. This is a ball python. Next, oh, this is another ball python here. It's empty. Empty. Oh, naibakante kasi mo sulod.
Yawa.
Kita na mo sulod kita. Hi! Hello! Yanan kay ko ni mga birds ba? Hi! Hi! Hello! 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 color. Nice kayo siya color. Hello! 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 Oh, kana mo istorya gid sila ba? Hi! 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 Hello! 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 They sounds like they're talking.
Trying to repeat.
Yeah. Hi!
Goodbye.
What's your name? What's your name? Lanalagi ko diri. Asa man nga ako ang kulong? Ah, dako-dako ni. Wa po ni gadag ko kay.
Nauban sa eagle, ma'am.
Di ako niya, di ako niya.
Eagle on the top.
Oh, wow.
Ay, oh. Hi. Hello. Hello.
Hello! Oh,
Tigulang na siya, no? Hello. Hi. Hello. Oh, handok mo gina sila. Tsaka gusto na nila, di na sila gusto down. Taas gina sila kay Eagle eye gud na sila hunter ba na. So dili mi pwede diyaon niya kay naaman mo.
Not back there, Seth.
Set. Yeah, get out of there.
They left the cage open, the crocodile will come out. They left the cage.
Tama na sila mga performance ba?
oh, naibitaw. Isang oras lang performance kayo, no?
Ayan ni.
Oh, they had a bear cat here. Dali mo galing tagsulod.
Hmm? Next.
Wow.
What is this?
Oh. It's a bear cat. Hi.
That's the bear cat.
Asa man?
Bear cat.
Dako ay yung tae dito, ma'am. Oh.
Gani luoy kaayo sila pag wala biya sila sa wild na luoy kay sila maluoy gid ko.
Hindi mo na ilang natin.
Palitan ako isa ka 100 hectares. Sige mo na akong gubat para sa ilahan tanan. Kasi para mabuhay pa sila ng Hindi makita pa sila ng mga generation to generation. Oh, sige ni tawag oh santan. Oh, this is my favorite flower biba.
Dali kami.
Actually bata pa ako. Ito yung ginalaro namin. Ginasipsip namin yung dulo nito like that oh. Oh, like that. Then
Nothing man.
yeah, sometimes it stays sweet.
Oh, sometimes it's sweet.
Yeah.
Guwapa ni ate. Sometimes I put that as an earrings when I was younger. There's another one.
Loko! That is too hot. Sometimes they don't like hot.
Kaluit tawag.
Yeah. So, pag meron akong mga 100 hectares, ko na lang sila dun.
Okay.
Ito, friend na lang tayo, friend.
Kahuglo na sa ilahang glass, ma'am.
Hi! Hi, friend!
Ma'am, alo! Nasukoy mong igsuon, ma'am. Uy, Aris! Ayaw, Willow. Ayaw, Willow.
Let the turtle.
Ayaw, ibaw na. Kasi baka magpaakan ka.
Are you serious? How you do that?
I don't touch anything.
I need whenever there's a picture because
Big turtles. Asa naman tong monkey? Hi! Bye-bye! Ba't lagi tinted siya para dili sila ma-disturb.
You can't look at the glass. It's so dirty you can't even see.
Actually, they look like that because tinted, so they cannot see because the monkey they're going to disturb. Oh, this one is a lot of baby crocodile.
Sit, look at the baby crocodile, anak.
Oh, look at that one. This is ready.
Ew. There's another one. Oh.
That's a baby crocodile. Where's the mom?
Gone with Gaji. Gone with Gaji.
Hanggang ano.
Suki ni mga onso na labaya lagi ito.
Kani.
Going with all these crocodiles, and they keep breeding them.
Yeah, they can bring out for food.
They can't keep them all.
Huh?
What do they do with them? They cannot keep all of these in the zoo.
Oh, actually, I
So
don't.
what they do with the rest?
They're going to eat.
They
Sorry.
make crocodile lechon.
Yeah. Is that alive? That one?
Yeah, there's something in it.
Is this in the water? Or they're hanging out?
They get bigger, they like small, little
Yeah.
bit bigger, and then they get really big over here.
Oh yeah, this one is they going to eat you na. Why they open their mouth? Maybe they're